Pour a small portion of the mixture onto a sanitary napkin, and you will be amazed by the effect it can produce. Let me take a moment to guide you through two simple but not very well-known home tips that can completely change the way you clean. To begin with, we will measure around 50 grams of baking soda, a product that many people already have in their kitchen cupboards. After that, we will also need 30 grams of common table salt, which is inexpensive and always easy to find. If you happen to have a little lavender in your home, just sprinkle in 2 or 3 tiny grains of it. This step is optional, but it will make a huge difference. Thanks to the lavender, we will have a naturally refreshing fragrance that gives the whole process an extra pleasant touch. This combination of ingredients creates the natural solution we were aiming for. Once the entire surface of the toilet bowl has been lightly moistened with water, take this homemade disinfectant and spread it evenly throughout the inside of the bowl. The surface will now start to absorb the mixture perfectly. All that is required at this stage is a short pause of about 10 minutes. During this waiting time, part of the accumulated dirt and grime begins to dissolve. You probably already know that ordinary table salt is a powerful disinfectant. It works hard to eliminate hidden bacteria and prevent their growth. Salt is also a reliable stain remover, but what most people do not realize is that baking soda plays another important role. It has an amazing ability to capture and neutralize unpleasant odors. The result of this teamwork is a sparkling, clean toilet bowl and a bathroom filled with the light, natural fragrance of lavender. Take whatever remains of the prepared detergent, pour it into a little warm water, and stir until it becomes a smooth paste. The paste works even better when applied together with a sanitary napkin. The reason for this is simple. The design and texture of sanitary napkins are truly unique. They are not only extremely absorbent, but also surprisingly soft to the touch. These qualities can now be turned to your advantage in cleaning. They soak up dirt from your kitchen sink and trap it inside without leaving scratches or marks. Unlike ordinary kitchen rags, which often push the dirt around, sanitary napkins lift it away and leave behind a gleaming surface. Once you are done, your sink will shine like new. The napkin can be cleaned and used again next time without any problem. Thank you very much for staying with me until the very end of this tutorial. I hope these home tips will help you as much as they helped me. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.